Assalamualaikum everyone. I think it's been years since I did a hijab tutorial, but based on somebody's encouragement, I'm gonna do my hijab tutorial, and this is a style that I go to almost every day, or something that I like to put on, a style that I like to put on. So now I have a hijab with me, my shawl. This shawl, okay, sorry, it's not iron, but it's okay because I'm at home right now. So yeah, um, this hijab is, I think, about 2 meters long. Let me measure for a while. Mhm. Yeah, 2 meters long. So do stay tuned to see how this tutorial goes. Okay, so here goes. So first I will take my right side will be shorter than my left. So I'll put it over my head. And the next thing I will do is I'll take a small pin, like this small pin, you can see. Alright, then I'll pin it at the back. So this material is so nice because it forms a nice arc. Okay, so what you do is you put this, then you pin this at the back. Okay, once you've secured the back, the short side, you bring it over to the side of your head. If you don't like how it's turning, it's a bit flat. Okay, so I form a little bit of arch there. Okay, then the small side, the shorter side, I'll bring it over here, and I'll pin it down using another small pin on the head, wherever you like on the head. Then this side here, so as not to let your hair show, you will use a long pin, a long straight pin, like this to secure the side. And we're almost done. We'll take the long side and put it over your head. And this part, okay, you are going to secure them with two straight pins here and here. Okay, so right now we are going to pin this side here. I like to pin this side a little bit to the back and this one a bit to the front, all right, to form some sort of illusion where your face will look a little bit smaller. Anyways, got a pin into the straight pin here, and we're gonna, let's say you see there's an arc there nicely sitting on your head. Then you have another straight pin where I'm gonna place the straight pin at the back of my head over here, so as to secure the hijab and it doesn't move. You see this, it's coming out, so I have to fold it nicely again and pin it down, and take another spin and pin it to your back of the head, and you're almost done. So the final step will be taking this part to secure it with a small pin here, any safety pin if you want to. If you don't, it's okay, you can just bring it forward and that's it. And for better chest coverage, you just have to pull this one forward in front and you are done. So this is my almost everyday hijab style or go to look, or if I want to look a little bit stylish. So I hope you like my hijab tutorial for today, and I hope to see you again, inshallah. So I hope you guys have a nice day, and bye.